Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and today it is time for a new nail polish of the week video. But first up, if you are new, hi, I would really appreciate it if you would like to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell as well if you want to be noted every time I upload a new video. But let's continue with this new nail polish of the week video. I'm going to start off with a base coat and this one is the Essence Anti-Split or Anti-Split. Sorry, anti-split is like very Dutch to say anti, like anti in plaats van. Oh my, I'm starting to speak Dutch in my videos now. Like, what is happening? I'm so like all over the place today. But yeah, I wanted to say that it's quite Dutch to say anti instead of anti because anti is like very Dutch. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this base coat to all of my nails, and as you can see here I still had my long natural nails on most of my fingers on my left hand. This was, I think, pre-recorded like 6 weeks ago or something. I broke one of my nails a little bit later after recording this, and I just shortened them all down to match my right hand, which were quite short at the moment as well, or at least the fingernails were. But yeah, always remember to cap off the edge for all of your layers of polish, or at least for the base coat, the top coat, and one of the colored coats that actually prevents any tip wear and chipping. But once your base coat is fully dry, I am going to use this beautiful H&M polish. I got it, I think, a little less than a year ago. I just bought it online. It is so holographic. This one is called Space Race, and it's just a stunner. I think I actually want to do like the best silver linear holographic polishes video or something, kind of like a comparison video, because I have quite a few really beautiful holographic polishes, like linear holographic like this one is. And yeah, I think it might be a good idea to do like just to see what they all look like next to each other, because sometimes I feel like, oh, this is the best one, and then I try another one for my collection, or I get a new one to add to my collection and I'm not quite sure which one is better. And then of course in that video I can do like a price range kind of section as well, just to show you what you get for what particular price, and maybe there's even a gem in there like this one, which is really affordable as well. This H&M polish was like €4.99 in euros, so like €5 range, and it's just so good. I really love it. You can see already that first coat is like an 80 to maybe 85% opaque already. I'm not even applying that much polish to my nails because, as you can see here, I'm not flooding my cuticles or anything like that. I do have to mention like the substancy and liquidness, if you can say it like that, of H&M polishes can be a little bit on the thinner side, so always be careful if you apply them and you're not used to working with them a lot, because they do have quite a wide brush, which I personally really like. But if the polish is quite like watery or liquidy, it might flood your cuticles and just make a big old mess. But yeah, this first coat is already really gorgeous, and yeah, I'm pretty much impressed with this first coat already, I have to say. This might be one of my best holographic polishes that I have, which is still really affordable as well. So yeah, I'm just going to let that dry for like not even 5 minutes, because it is so pigmented and so fully packed with that holographic like pigments. This isn't like a glittery polish or anything, so it's really easy to just remove, maybe even soak off with a little bit of nail polish remover. It just removes as easy as just any other like creamy polish. So yeah, because it is so packed with that holographic pigment, it actually only needs a couple of minutes to dry and just be completely dry, just to slap on your top coat and continue with your day, if you know what I mean. They dry, I'd say, the same speed as the Essence, Shine Last and Go collection polishes, which are quite quick drying. But of course, if you do add a thicker layer, you might want to add a couple of minutes to your dry time. But if you're like me and you just apply thin coats, you're good to go in like 10 minutes for your full manicure. But just look at this close-up, people, like, oh, This is gorgeous. I love holographic polishes, and silver holographic like polishes and colors just suit so many different people, and a lot of people really love polishes like this, and especially under artificial lighting. It is bomb, it is gorgeous. But for this particular like manicure that I wanted to wear for a full week, I'm going to add some heart-shaped glitters that are in this other H&M polish. I actually bought it together with the Space Race one, and this one is called Prismatic. This is just like a little extra something in this nail polish of the week video, because I'm not going to apply this polish on top of the entire nail. I'm just going to scoop out a couple of those heart-shaped glitters and just put it on the nail using a little dotting tool. You can use like a toothpick or anything like that as well if you don't have a tool like this. There are a lot of household items that you can use to just make a really cute manicure. So I am going to apply 3 little hearts in total. I'm going to put one on my thumb, just a little bit to like towards the cuticle area on the side that you just saw me apply. And I'm going to apply 2 other ones a little bit like same placement, I'd say, as we did to the thumb, but then we're going to place it onto the ring finger just as a little accent detail. I really love it. I think it's really cute, and this like glittery polish is really pretty as well. I think that when I just got this in the mail, because I did buy every single item I'm using in this video myself, or every single bottle, I do think that I actually applied it on top of the entire nail with Space Race underneath, and it was just fabulous. It was just so gorgeous and just flashy and holographic and oh, gorgeous. But to cap it all in, I'm going to use the Ultra Gloss Top Coat by Essence. Once again, I've bought this one myself. I'm a big fan of the base and top coats by Essence Cosmetics as well as Catrice Cosmetics. And yeah, I just really love it. The substancy of this top coat is a little bit more thin than what I'm used to seeing from Essence top coats, but it's quite nice to use. But if you do have any flooding around the nail on the skin or in the cuticle area, just take it off with a brush or even your fingernail like I just did in this video. It's really quick and easy to just get rid of any like excess polish. The only thing I wanted to mention is that when adding the top coat, I felt like I lost some holographicness from the polish. So yeah, that's just a little heads up. I might suggest to just use a water-based top coat to use, because here you can see the difference like quite obviously, or maybe just wing it without a top coat and maybe just add some clear polish instead, because I do feel it dulled the holographic effect out quite a bit. But yeah, that's just a little heads up, so don't make the same mistake like I just did right here by not using a water-based top coat. But once again, to be honest, it is still quite holographic, especially underneath like artificial lighting or in sunlight or anything like that. It still looks really good, and I just love the little like silver holographic heart-shaped glitter that I put on top as a little accent. But yeah, let me know what you think about this nail polish of the week video, the colors that I use, the polishes, and maybe you have this polish yourself as well. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.